bass, open, touch,
Why would God even make us at all? You know, human beings. Hands, feet, legs, and arms, heads. We know things. What we like, what we don't like. We feel things. Things move us. Things make us dance. We love. Why? God created us. We must have a purpose. We come from God, and then we go back to God. Sure, our parents played a part in our creation, but God gave them that part to play in the first place. If God created everything, then He also created everything that makes us happy. Like my congas. Yeah, I know He didn't personally create my drums, but He did create the resources that humans collected to make them, the wood, the animal skin, and the human intelligence to create things. That makes God the ultimate source of happiness. We can create, animals can't do this. Neither can rocks or plants. Dude, I don't think a monkey could play a calypso on a tabletop, simple as it is, but you and I can. Why is it? If at times you don't feel like God is near, just look around. Take a deep breath. He's everywhere. But to make sure you knew Him, God sent His Son, His only Son. He frees you and me from sin. He keeps us from evil, and He takes us to the truth. To know and to love God, to do God's will, and to end up in heaven. 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 That's your purpose, and that's my purpose too. Until next time, make sure to take some time for the table.
opposite hand.